Hello everyone, my name is Juan Granada. I'm 36 years old. I'm from Manizales, but currently I live here in Bogota. I'm a Colombian Army officer. I'm a captain, and I belong to the Army Aviation branch from 2010. And my job there is to manage the aircraft maintenance. I'm married. I have two children. They are twins from a different bag. Their names are Martin and Maria Jose. I like to play tennis. I like to play football, and also I like to read books. I enjoy cooking, and in my spare time, I do a lot of crosswords at home. My favorite shows are The Big Bang Theory and The Walking Dead. And I am studying industrial engineering because I want to learn how to maximize efficiency, how to improve and coordinate activities, and ensure the aircraft maintenance quality. My daily routine, is not so difficult to explain. Some of my friends think I have a boring daily routine, but I like it. I usually get up at about 4 in the morning. First of all, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and shave myself. Then I get dressed. I put on my BDU. BDU means battle dress uniform because I'm a Colombian Army officer. And I go downstairs and leave my house. I drive my car to my job, and I always arrive at my office before 6 in the morning. I'm never late for work because it's not so responsible for us. At noon, I have a lunch and continue with my job activities. 5 o'clock is my favorite time of the day because I finish work and go back home and see my wife and children again every day. We ate dinner together in our dining room at around 7 p.m. And after that, I hang out with my wife and children at home. We really enjoy watching our favorite TV programs together. However, 2 or 3 times a week I do exercise in the evening. And finally, at about 9:30 p.m., I go to bed, read for a while, and then fall asleep. And that's all. Thank you for your time.